What's going on, guys? Shane aka Musty Yeti here. Today I'm going to be the guy that's going to show you how to install the Tyrant Designs +3 mag extension for your Glock 43. Thankfully for us, the guys at Tyrant Designs were really smart when they designed this thing. If you compare this to other mag extensions on the market, this is going to be the easiest and fastest to install. No questions asked, hands down. So let's go ahead and jump into the installation. This is going to be a quick install, a quick video. Let's get started. Alright guys, before we get into the install of this, I want to show you a close-up because it really does deserve it. This thing is made of aluminum, and as you can see, the machining on this is excellent. There's no tooling marks. It's super clean, super smooth, and what I like most about it is it's different than every other mag extension on the market, so it's definitely going to give your gun a little bit of flair, while also allowing you to carry a few extra rounds, which is always great. Alright, so before we start, you want to make sure that there is no ammo near you. None on the table, none in reach, none in the room. I don't have any ammo in the room. I'm completely clear. It's just better to be safe than sorry, so just keep the ammo away from your workspace. I should mention before we start that we're going to be installing the mag extension on a Glock 43 factory OEM magazine, but it does work with the ETS mags, so you're good to go there. You can use this on whichever magazine you prefer. So the first step is to remove your factory base plate. Now you guys know this can be a pain, so if you do have a lot of issues, you can try getting some pliers or a clamp to pinch the sides, because Glock magazines have this little tab down here that's going to make it pretty hard to remove the factory base plate. So what you're going to want to do is take a tool of some kind. I'm just using a hex tool. You're going to depress the spring plate in there, and you're just going to press the factory base plate forward, and I think I'm already good to go. There we go, and it slid forward. Now remember guys, there is absolutely spring tension here, so you want to make sure you secure the spring with your thumb when you remove the factory base plate. So now that you're good to go there, you can go ahead and gently remove the spring. You can go ahead and place the spring plate here off to the side, because I don't believe you need that anymore. And now it's time to install it onto the Tyrant Designs +3 mag extension. Alright guys, now that we've gone ahead and removed the factory base plate off of our magazine, we can go ahead and install it on the Tyrant Designs mag extension. Now the real ingenious part of this design is the plunger located at the back of the mag extension. So to install this thing, it's going to be a breeze. You're going to take your magazine, either factory or ETS mag, you're going to go ahead and stick the spring and the magazine into the opening. You're going to rock the magazine back under the tabs of the mag extension, and it's going to be stopped there by that detent. So what you're going to do is you're going to press that detent down. You're going to press the magazine back, which is going to then allow the magazine to pop flush with the mag extension. Watch this. And it's going to drop down. See that little difference there? And then you're going to simply press it forward, and when you do, that plunger is going to pop up. It's going to hold the mag in place, and you're going to be done. So check this out. That's it. The plunger popped up, and you have successfully installed the Tyrant Designs mag extension in probably 5 seconds. As you see, it is definitely the quickest and easiest installation of any other mag extension out there in the market. Not to mention, it looks really good with matched with their magazine release. It's just a really good looking package. I love how they design their products. They think outside the box. It's great. You get +3 rounds in here, and you get extra real estate to get a nice full purchase on your pistol. So yeah guys, that about wraps up the install. If you found this video informative, feel free to hit the like. If you guys want to, come check out the channel. I do plenty of videos like this, and you can see more in the future. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.